Question 10. Farida has 4 types of fruits: bananas, apples, pears, and oranges. Farida is going to choose 2 different types of fruit. Write down all the possible combinations of fruit she can choose. Some people prefer to do this in a table to quickly show all the possible combinations. But if you're going to list this without a table, make sure that your method is logical. Start with one of the fruits and look at all the possible combinations. So if we start with bananas, what could possibly go with it? Now you can also choose to abbreviate this using the letters B, A, P and O. That's usually acceptable as well. I'm just going to use the full word so you can see how all the combinations are being formed. So we have bananas and apples, bananas and pears. So notice I'm trying to keep the first one the same all the time until we've had every combination that involves bananas. It helps to keep you organised, make sure you're not repeating anything, and making sure that you don't miss anything out. Although I wrote oranges first, it's generally a better idea if you keep bananas at the beginning for this one. Now we've exhausted all the options with bananas, and quite happily say I've come up with everything that does involve bananas. So next we look at the combinations with apples. Now we've already said apples and bananas, so we don't need to list that one again. So we just continue through the list. What other combinations can we have? I can have apples and pears. So I've done that combination, but there's still one more. Apples and oranges. So now we've gone through all the possible combinations with apples, I can ignore that one. So next we have pears and oranges. They're the only 2 fruits which we have not paired together. Pears and oranges. We can just double check. Have I done pears and apples? Yes. Pears and bananas? Yes. We can't have pears and pears, therefore pears are finished and there's nothing left to pair oranges off with, so we've listed all 6 possible combinations. If you repeat any, they will be ignored usually, and if you've missed any out, you will lose a mark for just missing one of them. Anything lower than that, you are risking getting 0 marks.